Greetings, family. Once again, we are here live in Ghana with Bomani, and we are here at the Fihankra International, and we're here in the Eastern region, and we're here with our good sister, and we're having a wonderful dinner on this wonderful Monday. How you doing today?
I'm doing well. Welcome back to Ghana.
Well, thank you. Any name again?
I'm Janet, Mrs. Janet Mohammed. I married one of the Black American gentlemen here. So I now moved to Fihankra. I'm also living here.
Alright, cool. So how's life in Fihankra?
Everything is fine. Ghana is cool and it's peaceful. We are enjoying the peace here.
Alright, cool, perfect. And what you cooking today?
Yeah, I'm preparing a fresh fish. We have grilled. This is the fish from the river, the Volta River, fresh. And we are preparing it today. We are grilling it.
Alright, cool. So this is not red snapper. This is tilapia.
This tilapia, this is the tilapia from the Volta Lake.
Alright, cool. So this is all seasoned and grilled.
Yeah, we season it, pepper and some ground onion. We are grilling it.
Yeah, the only thing I can tell you, family, is I wish you can just enjoy this lunch with us. But not now. So we'll definitely see you on another journey of a lifetime, and then you can enjoy this wonderful food.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, there's probably no way to have you smell it, right, Righteous? Alright, and one last question before we close. And what else is being served with this tilapia?
Oh, yeah, we have jollof rice and local brown rice with our stew. We make a sauce to go with it. We have a salad too.
Alright, cool, perfect. That'll work.
Yeah. And earlier on, our dessert is cassava chips fresh from our own garden here. So earlier on we served that one already. This is our dessert.
Alright, family, on the next feed, I'll let you know how everything tastes. But you can just imagine, just keep imagining and keep thinking, and imagine yourself here, out in paradise, just away from everything, just away from the daily rat race, and just here in Ghana, in the Eastern region, and enjoying tilapia. So next time, family, we'll keep it strong, and we'll connect with you in the next journey.